Where are 228 kgs of gold from Kedarnath Dham? This is the crucial question which has been asked by Shankaracharya. And this question has highlighted the issue of temple wealth and also the issue of Kedarnath temple in Delhi. Hello and welcome to the In News series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Kedarnath temple in Delhi. And this issue has become controversial. We'll know this issue in this topic. So, moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news. Then we'll have a discussion on that what is the response of Shankaracharya onto this particular issue. And after this, we are going to discuss the legends behind Kedarnath. So we are going to discuss the history, mythology behind the Kedarnath temple and also the glory of the shrine. And after that, we are going to discuss a simple practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So Uttarakhand Chief Minister had recently done a Bhumi Pujan in Delhi for Kedarnath temple, and that had sparked a controversy among the people, and so many people and also religious gurus have questioned this thing, that why, if there is already a Kedarnath Dham in Uttarakhand and which has been also mythologically proven, then why there is another kind of temple which is being built in Delhi, and why the same name. So this has marked a controversy, and so many meetings and so many conversations are going on to this temple. So now we'll come to that. What was the Shankaracharya reaction to this particular point? So Shankaracharya Swami Avimukteshwar Nand Shankaracharya of Jyotimad has said this, that if we already have a temple in Uttarakhand and that is related to the Char Dham Yatra and the famous Char Dham of sacred shrines of Indians, especially for the Hindu community is there, then why we need to build another kind of temple in Delhi, and why it is being named on Kedarnath. So he said that this is not mythologically proven and this is not religiously supported also. He said that 12 Jyotirlingas have been mentioned in the Shiv Puran, and in the name of 12 Jyotirlinga, one Jyotirlinga is in the Kedarnath. So why there will be another kind of the temple in Delhi? So this has been response of Shankaracharya, and that had created lots of controversy and confusion among the people, that is the name can be replicated or not. So if we'll talk about, then yes, there are few temples which has been named on the Kedarnath Dham. We have temples in Indore and we had temples in different kind of the cities. So this is not the new thing which is happening, but that has created a controversy. Now we come to about the history and mythology of the Kedarnath Dham. So what the mythology said about this Kedarnath Dham? So it is assumed that Pandavas had built this Kedarnath Dham, and after the war between the Kurus and Pandavas, there was a war between the Kauravas and Pandavas. So Pandavas killed their own blood relatives because of the war. So they went to Shiva and they wanted to say that they want to get rid of them because they had killed their own blood relative. But what Lord Shiva said, that Shiva didn't want to release them from their sins, and he emoted himself as a bull, and he was going from one place to another place, and he dove underground. So what Bhim does, Bhim was one of the Pandavas, he catch the bull's hump, and in Kedarnath the hump was there, and other body parts we can find the different areas of Uttarakhand, and we have a also religious significance for different parts of these kind of the bull's body, and there is already a dhams and religious pilgrimage related to these kind of the bodies. So if we'll talk about that, from where we have got this body structures, so hump of the bull was found in Kedarnath, and the navel emerged in Madhya Maheshwar. 2 of the 4 legs appeared in Tugnath, and face in the Rudranath, and hair in the Kalpeshwar. So these are collectively known as Panch Kedar, the 5 sacred places. So these are the 5 sacred places where tourists and pilgrims visit this kind of the things. And this has been made by the Pandava. Legend says that. If we'll talk about the history, so there was a person, there was a religious guru who's known as Adi Shankaracharya. So it is believed that Adi Shankaracharya has restored this place in 8th century, and since then this place is very much famous for the Hindu pilgrims. So now we'll come to the glory of the shrine, that what is the significance of the shrine. So the temple is said to be more than 1200 years old, and it is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of India. So we have 12 Jyotirlingas in India, and Kedarnath Dham is one of them. And the majestic Kedarnath peak is, so it is situated on the mountains, we already know, and the peak height is 6,940 meters, and it stands behind the temple along with the other peaks and adds to the scenery of the area. Built from large, heavy and evenly cut grey slabs of the stone, and the Shiva Lingam is conical in shape. So the conical Shiva Lingam is worshipped as the Lord and in the Sadashiv form. So Shiva has a different kind of form. In Kedarnath, it is worshipped in Sadashiv form, and it adds a unique feature to the temple among all the Shiva shrine. We have also Garbhagriha, which is worship for the worship, Mandap, which is for the assemblies and pilgrims and visitors, and it is not open throughout the years because of the, what you can say, weather kind of situation. Heavy snowfall happens in that area, so it opened, the Kedarnath opened closes on the first day of the Kartik, October, November. So Kartik month come in the month of October or November, and reopens in Vaisakh, April and May every year. So this is the itinerary of the Kedarnath Dham. So this is all about the Kedarnath Dham, and you already know that why is there so much controversy related to the Kedarnath Dham. For this is homework for you, that you have to also find out that what is the relevance of Shankaracharya in today's world. So it would be very much important for your mains examination. Now we'll come to the question part. The question is, which of the following statement about Kedarnath is correct? Here they are asking the correct statement. Kedarnath is located in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Kedarnath is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and is a part of the Chota Char Dham Yatra. Kedarnath is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. Kedarnath is situated at an altitude of 2000 meters above sea level. So these topics and these points we already had discussed. So this will be, you already know the answer, and you have to comment down the answer in the comment section. So I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.